we're going to do a blindfolded peep taste test.
Alright, so here's the rules. I'm going to hand everyone a peep. You have to try and guess which flavor it is, okay?
Okay.
Delanie, Dad, Keegan.
Blue raspberry. Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
Good job. Okay.
Did we guess it right?
You did.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Keegan. Dad. Delanie.
Watermelon. Did I guess it right?
Did you have your blindfold down?
Yeah. I did when I tasted it.
Peep number 3. One for Delanie, one for Dad, and one for Keegan.
Birthday cake. I just got
Birthday cake.
Are you just going off what Keegan's saying?
It smells like birthday cake.
and it tastes like birthday cake.
It does not taste like birthday cake.
Peep number 4. Keegan. Dad. Delanie.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
It's got no taste. It tastes like a regular peep.
Cotton candy. Did I guess it right?
Yes, Keegan.
Yeah, I guess 3 of them right.
You're cheating.
Alright, you ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Keegan. Delanie. Dad ready? Dad.
Root beer. Root beer.
That one smells like root beer.
Mm.
You know them like root beer hard candies that taste really, really strong, like licorice almost?
Yeah.
Another one.
Alright, there's Delanie's.
I bet you $10 you get it right because you're cheating.
There's Keegan's. There's Dad's.
Watermelon.
No, wrong one.
Mm.
No, closer to you.
That's mine.
Smells like it's gonna hurt my belly.
Alright, Keeks, what flavor do you think of this?
Fruit punch. Fruit punch.
Good job. Alright, last one.
Order of elimination, I know which one this is.
One for Keegan. Oh,
Is it watermelon?
did you try it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Watermelon? Watermelon.
Fireball.
Was it watermelon?
No, it was cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
What was your favorite flavor, Keegan?
Raspberry.
The blue raspberry. Delanie, what was your favorite flavor?
Did you?
Those two? What was Dad's favorite flavor?
I don't know, Dad's belly hurts.
Thanks for watching. Now we're going to make Play-Doh with the rest of our leftover peeps.